All right, it is time to do CSS battle. I've changed some audio settings. I don't know if they're better or worse. Might be either. I don't know. Let me know if they're worse. All right, CSS battle for October 1st. We have some thermometer sort of shape things. Look, I even spelled style right today. That's amazing. So for the HTML, I think I just want to make it the blue slate color, whatever that is. And then I think for the body, I'm going to have two gradients. I don't think it matters which one's first. So I'll do the radial gradient first. It's going to go from, going to go 1Q, shorthand for circle, from that color to transparent. It's going to be 40 pixels, 50, something like that. It's going to be at top. Margin has to be 0. And do I want to margin the rest of this? I don't know. Let's see. 50, 0, 100. So moving it that way. Let's move it the other way. 100. And make this 0, 160, and 60. Okay. Is that going to cause me problems? Probably. So what have I done there? I've pushed margin. So I can show you what I've done. I can say outline, 1 pixel solid. That's what I've done. I don't think, so I've pushed the body so that it's only from here over, which is going to cause me problems when I try to do other things. So the other way I could do this is say minus 160, and make that 0. Except I don't need both zeros. So now the body comes over here. It's overflowing the display here, which is probably okay. We'll see. All right, I'm going to get rid of that. Excuse me. I'm going to get rid of that, and then I'm going to have a paragraph tag, which means that I need to actually create a paragraph. Now, the paragraph tag is going to have a padding of 150 and a margin of 0, I don't know, 100, 0, 0. Okay, let's make this 200 going, yeah. The thing I always do, 100, 200, 300. That's getting close. It's not right, but that's okay. 280, 290. Okay, there's that. Now, I didn't finish my gradient because I got ahead of myself. I'm going to have a linear gradient. It's going to go from transparent to this red color to transparent. And it's going to be at 90 degrees. This number is going to be a big one, 200 pixels. And then this one's going to be 0 to 50 pixels. And then this one's 0. Okay. So there is the thing that I have. It's too big and in the wrong place. So it's going to be like 250 to 90. Now we're getting closer. Are we? Hmm. It's interesting that this one is so far off. I'm gonna have to play with that. We'll see. All right, this is going to be like 270. That one's in the right place. But it's weird that the other one is so far off. I would think it would align with the circle. Let's quickly just put a outline 1 pixel solid on this, which means we have to do that. So at top, it's because of its size, isn't it? Yeah, it's because of its size. Interesting. So what if the padding on this is 160 plus 400, which is 560 divided by 2, which is 280. Now I need to move this that way, and it's going to line up. I don't know what's going to be 150, something like that. 140, 160. There we go. All right, so that's that one. Now I'm going to add another paragraph tag. So I need to select my sibling paragraph, outline, like I always do, 1 pixel solid, and it's off screen, I'm guessing. So let's say margin 0, margin -1. There it comes. Why does it have, oh, maybe it, all right, let's play with some insects. Scale -1, -200. Let's make this 0, 10, 70, 80, -300. Get rid of the outline. See if that's a match. That is indeed a match. Okay. Excuse me. So, can things be optimized? I'm sure they can. 53Q. I'm going to cheat and load the extension. Can I, if I have that background color, come up with a clever color? None of these are very close. Let's play with some pixel values. That can be 90 VH. That can be 307Q, maybe. See if that's a match. Interesting. It's not quite going to work, is it? What was that, 150? Yes. 70, 55, 4. That's not quite going to match. Nope. 300. Okay. Do I have... That's not going to save me by saying at 0. Right, because it's getting the horizontal first. If you give it top, it's only 1, so that's not going to help. All right, I'm just going to cheat and use this button. Is there anything else I can save? Hello, little cat. 645 looks like my score today. I'm sure there are better ways to do this, but took, I don't know, 7 minutes? No, 13 minutes, because I have 9 left, basically. Thank you, little cat. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.